So, scariest thing in the world to a kid is missing assignment and getting a zero, and then your parents seeing that you're missing assignment, and then they ground you, or they take their cell phone, or they fuss at you, and you're like, "Oh my god, my life is terrible. I'm missing assignments." And then you go online, you want to make up those assignments, and you either get those assignments made up for half credit, or you're not allowed to make up those assignments at all, and the world just continues to crumble around you. Okay, so here's the deal with me. Um, I've said this several times throughout the year. I've said in class. I've posted it on Google Classroom. I've posted it, in some of these videos. If you are missing an assignment and you want to make it up, go on with your bad self. I want you to make it up. I'd rather have you do it than not do it because my job is to make you a better student. But if you're going to make up the assignment, you've got to love yourself and let me know. If you don't let me know, I'm not going to grade it. Okay, you've got to make sure you make it up. So let me jump into my student account. Let's pretend I'm Billy Rob, and Billy Rob is missing a ton of stuff, and I'm like, oh, I didn't do my Khan Academy, view assignment, I didn't do it, I'm just going to mark it as done. Okay, great, you marked it as done. You still actually have to do the assignment. So Billy Rob goes in and they do the Khan Academy assignment. I don't magically see it. I've got to know that you did it. So you need to send me an email to let me know that you did it. If you don't send me an email, I won't know that you did it, and I can't grade it, and I can't give you credit for it. Just clicking submit doesn't mean that you did the assignment. Okay, I made a video about that, about how clicking done doesn't mean that you've done anything. Okay, so you gotta make sure you do the assignment. Okay, but let's say I was like, oh snap, I didn't do my let's see here, from my EOG practice. I know it's not due today, but I go in and I do it, and if I've done it and it's late, excuse me, I'm yawning, I've got to make sure I send Mr. Bean an email to let him know, because if it's late and the grade's already in the grade book, I'm not going to go back and grade it unless you tell me to. So love yourself. If you do something late, you've got to send me an email. So we just started new 9 weeks. Everyone, in theory, has a fresh slate of paper now. They're all clean. They all should be doing great. But you got to make sure you get your work done. If you miss something and you need to make it up, you've got to send me an email, because I will not see it nor check it if you don't send me an email. I know that sounds petty, but just like you, I got stuff I got to do. And if you don't let me know, I'm not going to sit around and say, oh, I wonder if Billy Bob did their work. I don't have time for that, okay? And you don't have time for that. So if you do something late and you want me to grade it, send me an email. If I don't see an email, I can't grade it. I'm not going to bother grading it. So let's say I missed vocabulary, okay? I'm going to have that send Mr. B an email anyways to get him to open it back up for me, okay? And when I get done with it, send Mr. Bean another email, because if you don't, I'm not going to check it. I know that's mean. I know that's hateful. But y'all in 8th grade, you can send a 2-sentence email. Hey, Mr. Bean, I finished my vocabulary. Can you check it, please? Thanks. Love, Billy Rob. You don't have to put love. That's okay. But love yourself. Send me an email if you're missing something, okay? And make it up. And then send me an email when you get it done. That way I know to check it, okay? If you got questions, send me an email. I think that's about it. Yep. All right. So I will talk to y'all later.